Hi, it's Sunday morning about 10:30. Let's see. Went to PetSmart, bought some new treats. My cats love these. My mom's cat doesn't like it. Let's see what Milo thinks. Come here, Milo. Want to try these treats?
The legend tells of the knights taking the Ark to Scotland, where they formed an alliance with the powerful Sinclair family.
Oh, I think he likes them.
William Sinclair
What do you think, Milo, huh?
Oak Island in Nova Scotia in the 1400s to protect it from English invasion. Here, Sinclair and his
Milo.